If you've lost sending privileges on Discord, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check server permissions. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to send messages in the channel. Click on the channel name, go to Edit Channel, and review the Permissions tab to see if your role has the Send Messages permission enabled. Step 2. Review role settings. If you are part of multiple roles, check if any of them have restrictions that prevent sending messages. Go to Server Settings, then Roles, and examine the permissions for each role assigned to you. Step 3. Contact Server Admin. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Check for mute or ban. Verify if you have been muted or banned from the server. If you are muted, you will need to wait until the mute expires. If banned, you will need to appeal the ban to the server admin. Step 5. Rejoin the server. If all else fails, consider leaving and rejoining the server. This can sometimes reset your permissions, but be sure to communicate with the server admin before doing this to avoid any misunderstandings. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Discord. If issues persist, consider seeking help from Discord support.